Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. On my video today, I would just like to show off this sweater that I just created and this one that I'm wearing, that I'm getting some comments that it looks like cotton candy, and I think so too. Here's the top on me. I did make mine a little long, but you know, let's go ahead and take a look at this crochet sweater spring, summer, fall top. Okay, so here is the top, and this is made with Premier bobbin yarn, and the colorway is Angel. It's a medium 4 weight, and if you're not sure what bobbin yarn is, this is it right here. It's where it has like a variegated color and 2 solids, and that's what I did here. I put the variegated color right here, and then my 2 solids are stripes. You can actually just, you know, use any yarn that you want. This just happens to be the one that I picked. And the back side looks just like the front side. So you're going to be making 2 panels for this. This one here is made with Burnett Softy cotton yarn. I chose a variegated one for the bottom and then 2 solids for the top. So yeah, there they are. This pattern will be on sale on Etsy. Well, actually, it is on sale for Etsy right now. And I will be putting this on my Adoring Dog Clothes page for you guys to purchase it there. I think when I talked about that yarn, I didn't show you the labels. That's Burnett Softy cotton. This is what they look like. This is the golden, and I think that's the golden haze. Maybe this is the golden. Yeah, this is the golden haze. This is the sandstone, and this is the golden. And they're 60-40. It's 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. They're a 3 weight, a 4 weight. But this is really the same as that. This is a thin 4 weight. And looks more like a 3 weight to me. But, you know, I'm not the one who labels these things. So, but this is what it is. And I just took these off and caked them up. 2 bobbins to make this. And this is what I had left of the 2 bobbins. So, obviously, it didn't take as much pink. And this would, I'd say, is about a size large, is what that is. But yeah, that's what I had left off 2 bobbins. Okay, guys, that's really all that I have. I will come back tomorrow and do Whip Wednesday for you guys. And, oh, and I'd like to say thank you to all of my subscribers and all of my new subscribers. I hope you guys are enjoying yourself. I love the comments that you guys leaving. You guys leave me so many tips in those comments. You make my life easier. Okay, that's all that I have. And like I said, I'll see you tomorrow on Whip Caddy Wednesday. If you haven't submitted your photo in yet, email that to me. Go to my Facebook group page. Leave that in there for me. And I will show your pictures tomorrow in tomorrow's video. So guys, just live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.